Nisambula Vinaka. Greetings from the beautiful islands of Fiji. I am Anurag Kumar, a student at Lelin Memorial School, and this year we are taking part in the ZAT Sustainability Prize competition. The project which we have chosen is an aquaponics system. An aquaponics system consists of two different farming systems, whereby the byproduct of one system is used as the input in the other. The two farming systems are aquaculture and hydroponics. In aquaponics, the water containing toxic ammonia and other nutrients which are produced by fish is pumped from the fish tank to a biofilter, where the ammonia is broken down into nitrates. Then the water is supplied to the hydroponic system, where the plants use all the nitrates and other nutrients. This makes the water clean again. The same water is pumped back into the fish tank and the cycle continues. The point that makes this project unique is that it combines two different agricultural components into one, and nothing goes to waste throughout the process. Water is also conserved in the system, and all the electrical components of this project will be operating on solar, which makes this project a highly sustainable system. The main motive of establishing this project is to allow students to apply their classroom knowledge on field to gain experience and better understand the concepts through daily activities at the aquaponics site. Produce from this system will be supplied to the hostel facility at our school. The complete management of this project will be in the hands of the students under the guidance of teachers. Students will also gain experience and learn the basic tactics of running a business, which can help them in the future if they opt to become entrepreneurs. This project will be sustained by the funds generated by selling the excess produce. There will be a batch of senior students who will be given the responsibility of managing the overall system. This group of students will be under the guidance of teachers and will change every year. We should win the prize because our proposed project is sustainable and environmentally friendly. It also provides the students with a lot of educational advantages plus healthy supply of nutrition. Our school has already established projects like rice and poultry farming, which gives us the experience in such activities. By winning and establishing this project in our school, we will be able to help our nation's primary goal in combating climate change and set an example to all our communities and neighboring Pacific Island countries on how we can come up with innovative ideas to minimize the impact of climate change. I hope you have liked our proposal and have a fair idea of the outcomes it will have not only on our school but on our community and our nation as a whole. Thank you.